What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yesterday was a very, very unfortunate day. Um, I didn't lose, I haven't, I lost 1.6%, but that's not why it was unfortunate. I was just very unlucky things happened, I guess. But yeah, let's jump into it. So, starting on DXY. We had this 4 hour bullish fair value gap that I wanted to get filled. We sort of obviously we're in a bit of an uptrend right now, and then we had this 4 hour bullish fair value gap that I wanted to get filled. So like yeah, sort of uptrendish, have hit some, I guess, liquidity up here, so fair to say could have seen a retracement. But that 4 hour fair value gap, I wanted to see a reaction off. We did we didn't validate it in the end. So that's something that I guess needed to focus on. Yeah. Anyways, scaling down a bit. If we go to maybe 15 minutes. So yeah, we were pottering along quite nicely, I guess. Eventually, we did form some like internal range liquidity in this 4 hour fair value gap. So I was wanting to see like a sweep of that and then come back up, close above it, and then take off. But that's DXY. So UJ, haven't traded this before, but I was just sort of trying it for the first time. So obviously, like same as GJ, there was a massive sell-off and sort of a big daily bearish fair value gap to fill in here. So like multiple levels of liquidity swept here. So obviously some kind of retracement would have been nice. This was the day that I traded, so I was expecting to see this high get taken and fill in this bearish fair value gap. So with that in mind, obviously scaling down, we had some. It was also CPI night, day, whatever your time zone is for you. Um, so that's something to keep in mind. We had like 8 o'clock news my time, so 1 hour before London. That sort of caused a big dip in GJ. It caused a big dip in GJ. If we look back here-ish, yeah, right here. So that kind of upset UJ as well, but anyways, took a UJ trade. Problem is it was slightly before London session, and that's something I'm not sure I should have done. Although I saw that news hit, and then if we sort of scale out a bit, we can see all the levels it swept. So under here, oops, damn it, this bit swept here. And then I was thinking like, okay, I want to see some kind of long on that. So going down to the 1 minute, oh my gosh, screen is so annoying. Um, Here we are. Going down to the 1 minute, looking for some kind of long, potential double sweep as well, like right here. So sweep this liquidity here as well. Cool. And then looking for an entry. I didn't, I think I got on right as this was happening here. And obviously, I'm not trying to FOMO in, so I didn't take that. But uh, where was it? What did I take? Oh, I believe some kind of. Oh, actually, I think I saw this and then I wanted to see a little retracement to take that, maybe hitting some order block. But I ended up getting around and around about here. The unfortunate thing that happened was, obviously, by the looks of it, we got stopped out by this wick and we really ripped from there. So, unlucky thing number one, I guess. That was very annoying. So, Yeah, obviously just move your stop loss a little lower, maybe below these lows here. Well, that would have stopped me out still as well, or just below the sweep, which is what I would usually do, but I've not been doing it as of recently. So that's what happened with UJ, and it did want to go down in the end, but it was still a move that I missed out on. So learning is just lower stop loss, really. I've been getting quite risky with my stop losses. So the second, well, that was it really. That was the only trade I took. I was looking at Euro as well, and this was another unlucky sort of thing that happened. So it's quick little analysis. We have this daily fair value gap that hasn't been filled in yet. So, and then I saw this like little thing here. They're just slowly edging down, right? So I'm thinking, okay, I want to see some kind of short on this. Um, yeah, and then we're just seeing a bunch of sweeps up here. So I was thinking short, and I was looking, yeah, I'd labeled out this buy side sort of up here, and this move here occurred, sweeping some, oh damn it, sweeping buy side over there, and so I scale down. Yeah, I'm thinking like this move here swept buy side here, but then this move swept this buy side. So I always look for the double sweep, and this occurred. So I'm thinking, okay, cool. I want to try find something on this. So going straight to the 1 minute, I was just looking for a little scalp. And this is when, yeah, this is when it was quite unfortunate. So we have this fair value gap here, and price did tap into it here. Um, I didn't want to take something on that. I wanted to see because that's not really filling it much. I want to see around the 50%, the around the 50% mark. So I was wanting to see this bit right, this level where my cursor is, the horizontal line. I wanted to see that get broken. Now, what happened? Price was pottering around here and then it closed down here. But once the new candle started to form, it sort of re-updated as the wick it whipped through. So quite unlucky. I guess that's sort of trading view's problem. But I didn't get in, unfortunate. I would have hit probably like take profit one here, two here, three here, four here. I would have it would have been a really good trade, 5 to 1. But again, pretty unlucky to say the least, I guess. Yeah, but again with this overall bias was wrong. We wanted to go up. Um, but that is why we always move our stops to break even after the first take profit, and we use risk management because even though my bias was wrong, I was still, I just missed the entry by like zero point 0.1 of a pip, and that would have been a pretty decent trade to say the least. So that is the video. Thank you for watching. Bit of an unlucky one. I'm also going to be starting live trading pretty soon, probably tonight. So yeah, thanks for watching.